This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. I'd like to please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 101 of Building Eleanor. We've got this from issue 100, and issue 101 contains some chrome parts, windscreen wipers, which we're not fitting yet, and the outer surround for the windscreen. They're very, very chrome. I don't really like them, but they're what we got. So that's what we will be using, and we're going to be fitting it to the car itself, which is still very huge and quite lovely. So let's get that in a position where I can see what I'm doing at least a little bit. This pops in just like that. Yep, like that. And then this goes in around to hold it in place. The bottom bits look like they're bigger, so they're going to go in first. And then the top bits just sort of snap in place, as do the bits on the edges. There we go, just a bit like that. And a bit like that, but not quite like that, because that's not fully in. There we go. Almost there. Can't quite see from this angle. But once I get that at a better angle, that will just go back in there. And then that's it done. The windscreen wipers themselves fit onto the piece that we're getting next time, which are going to go on there-ish. So that is another issue completed. I'll see you for the next one when we're going to fit this final body panel in place. Then we're almost there, aren't we? We've got the front is already done, and we've got headlights and everything on there. Sides are all completed except for the doors, which we've got ready completed anyway. So yeah, it's getting close to being completion. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I shall see you for soon. See you for soon, very more. Indeed, see you for more very soon. Bye bye for now.